Welcome to our training. List products using third-party apps. Amazon sellers use a variety of technologies to launch, manage, and grow their businesses. Some stick to the tools available in Seller Central. They list using Add Products, price using Automate Pricing, and ship inventory to fulfillment centers using the Send to Amazon workflow. Other sellers use third-party apps to list, price, ship, and perform a variety of other business operations. You've probably used apps before on a smartphone or tablet to complete a specific task, like rating a restaurant or checking the weather. Amazon sellers can also use the specialized functionality of apps to streamline and scale their businesses. We maintain a catalog of Amazon-approved apps in Seller Central in the Selling Partner App Store. You can visit the App Store anytime using the URL sellercentral.amazon.co.uk/selling-partner-app store. On the homepage, select an app category to browse or use the search bar to locate a specific app by name. Click an app's icon to go to its detail page, where you can review features and functionality. We can provide contact information and web links so you can quickly access and use apps. Each app in the Selling Partner App Store is reviewed and authorized by Amazon. The developers who publish in the App Store are vetted by Amazon too. Some of the apps we list integrate directly with Seller Central. Others are standalone, but all the apps in the App Store have access to the same kind of selling data you see in Seller Central. Their access is secured through one of our two API services, Selling Partner API, or SP-API, or our legacy service, Marketplace Web Service, also called Amazon MWS. Now that you know a little more about third-party apps and where to find them, let's focus on apps that can help you list products in the Amazon store. Using an app to list products can offer sellers several advantages. An app with specific features might help you list products faster, or it could make it easier to create multi-channel listings. An app might also make optimizing product descriptions and other listing content more intuitive. To illustrate the range of listing apps available in the Selling Partner App Store, let's review an example. Helium 10. Note that this example doesn't constitute a recommendation from Amazon. It is offered here as information to help you explore all the third-party apps available in the App Store. The app, Helium 10, provides sellers with a range of features that support listing, as well as financial analytics and inventory management. You can use Helium 10 to optimize existing listings. It can help you refine the keywords that drive traffic to your product detail pages. It can also help confirm that your product descriptions include all relevant keywords. Helium 10 can help ensure you have the correct number of keywords too, and that you've adhered to the character limits for the relevant product category. You can also use Helium 10 to research new, profitable products. Collectively, these features can help you reach new customers, build a brand, and increase sales. Helium 10 is just a small sample of third-party apps available in the Selling Partner App Store to help you list products. We encourage you to explore additional listing apps by clicking the listing category on the App Store homepage. On the next page, use filters to find apps designed for specific programs, or to search by star rating, language, or store. We also encourage you to explore apps in other categories that might help streamline and scale your business. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!